Right now, a troubling mark for the Harris County Sheriff's Office. It announced that 3 employees have been indicted on various charges. Channel 2's Jake Reiner joins us live downtown with what he's learning so far. Jake?
Jen, we're waiting on a press conference right now from the Harris County Sheriff's Office, but this is what we can tell you about these indictments as alleged by the Harris County Sheriff's Office. First, we have Sergeant Marco CARRIZALES. In October 2015, the 37-year-old was in uniform working an extra job directing traffic for a refinery. A man allegedly drove through a 4-way stop sign and a chase ensued. Minutes later, CARRIZALES allegedly hit the man with an unknown object, causing serious bodily injury, breaking his eye socket. This is a first-degree felony. Next, we have jailer GODDARD, 24 years old, indicted for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon for a May 2016 incident. He was a civilian detention officer at 1200 Baker, transporting an inmate wearing handcuffs and leg irons. Surveillance video shows GODDARD lifting up the inmate and allegedly body slamming him on his skull. The inmate received 7 staples to the back of his head, and this is a second-degree felony. Lastly, we've got jailer Michael HOLLEY, 31 years old, indicted for 2 misdemeanor charges for assault bodily injury for 2 separate incidents. The first one on December 14th, 2016. Surveillance video shows HOLLEY punching an inmate in the face multiple times and throwing him to the ground. The second one is a few days later when surveillance video shows him shoving an inmate into a wall. As of right now, CARRIZALES is the only one to bond out. We will be monitoring this press conference. It's slated to start at noon and bring you the very latest. Reporting live from downtown, I'm Jake Reiner, KPRC, Channel 2 News.